Good evening, guys. I am Meteorologist Brain here. Let's get straight to radar right now. What we have starting to blossom up on radar here right now. Well, there is a few warned thunderstorms right now moving its way into Nashville. Heads up, Nash. No, maybe. I say moving. Let me rephrase it. Moving. Was in Nashville, moving near Huntsville and Lafayette. Heads up. Scottville and heads up those areas. Heads up those areas. Red Bowling Springs heads up there. There's a tornado warning storm there. I think they let it cancel, but there right now we're tracking those. And it's a little bit outside of our viewing area, but there's a storm up there. We are watching. Look at all those flood warnings extend down to Memphis, Jackson, Clarksville. Look, all the flood warnings extends down to that extends down into down to Clarksville, Houston, Jackson area, down to the Little Rock, Memphis area. All that flood waters extend down to Dixon, Nashville. There's a bunch of flooding out there ongoing for 5 more hours. Keep this in mind, and it also extends all the way down to I want to say Texas, maybe Louisiana, maybe. There's a tornado warning there and a warning storm there, but no confirmed warnings. That is good. There's no confirmed warnings. There's a storm right there, has been canceled, but there is still a tornado warning storm there. If that will be moving there. If you're traveling this way, and if you plan on traveling there, just a heads up if you're traveling this way any this evening. But I will be probably watching. I'll be watching this area here, and I may no, hang on. Okay, let me see if I can try to get it circled up a little. I would say I may be watching those areas here, maybe, and watching this area, those there. I'll be watching those areas to see if there's anything gets on one side. But tomorrow, I'd like to be watching all those areas here as we head into tomorrow as well. Those areas too. Some areas I may be watching late tonight into tomorrow as well. So figure out how to do it tomorrow. But that's the big answer warning. Is a considerable, has a considerable threat on it. That tornado warning storm. Okay, I just want to get y'all all up to date with that warning storm there. As of right now, I go keep eye out with radar. Right now, let's go take a live view with some of our weather cameras here live this evening, guys. Okay, good evening, guys. Let's go take our first trip over to downtown Knoxville. Here's a live view downtown Knoxville. It was a very gorgeous day here today, here all over East Tennessee. What a beautiful day it has been here today, with blue, clear, sunny skies here today, here across East Tennessee. We did have some sunny skies here today. Look at that absolutely gorgeous view over downtown Knoxville. Wow, AB, absolutely beautiful. That paints the picture. Very gorgeous view over downtown Knoxville here this evening, here on our Saturday night. Here's a live view down over in Anakista. Look at this amazing view in Anakista. People are enjoying their day, but it's a little bit hot. My watch says it's 85 degrees today. Wow. Look at that view down in Anakista. The trees is blowing. That just shows the story here for today. Keep this in mind. Here's a live view down the Market Square. The chalk walk is still going on down there in Market Square. Still, y'all. Yes. The chalk walk is going down the Market Square. That's why I look the same all day long here today. We probably can still verify it looks still about the same it has been since earlier this morning. Look like people have been out there all day at the chalk walk. Doing their good artists with the dogwood art chalk walk. I think I would call it. I could be totally wrong. Here's a live view down Tellico Village. Very gorgeous view down Tellico Village. Route AB, absolutely beautiful. That paints the picture. Very gorgeous view over in Tellico Village. That paints the picture. Phenomenal and gorgeous view over in Tellico Village here today for our Saturday. Keep this in mind. That's a very gorgeous view over in Tellico Village. And here's a live at the Blunt Memorial Hospital camera at Maryville. Absolutely gorgeous view over the Blunt Memorial Hospital camera at Maryville. That paints the picture. That is a very gorgeous camera view over at the hospital camera. Keep this in mind, that is a very gorgeous view with the hospital camera. Keep this in mind, okay? Look at all that rain here over the past 48 hours. Wow, let's see that rain over the past 24 hours. See how it's been shaping out to be like. Wow, look at all that rain down in the past 24 hours. Absolutely heavy rainfall down to Little Rock, Springfield, St. Louis, Memphis, maybe Seneca. Heads up those areas. Wow, absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. There's some very absolutely incredible rainfall amounts down there. That's some absolutely incredible rainfall amounts. That is absolutely incredible rainfall amounts down there. Wow, over the past 48 hours, much needed rain down there. Over the past 48 hours, that much needed rain for those areas. Wow, very much needed rain down there. Now let's get up to date with our now. Let's go over here to recap our morning wake up temperatures from earlier this morning. To see what our temperatures were out here early this morning. I kind of curious what our temperatures was out here early this morning. I bet we all probably are curious, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Here's a recap here for our morning wake up temperatures from earlier this morning. Earlier this morning, we was a little bit mild here earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures. Keep this in mind, okay? We look to be a little bit mild here for our wake up temperatures earlier this morning. We was into the 70s and 60s. We was 71 Knoxville, 73 Sweetwater, 65 Gatlinburg. Earlier this morning, we was here into the 70s here earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures. We was 71 Knoxville, 74 Maynardville, Sweetwater. Hey guys, I think we just got a tornado watch just got issued. Let me get y'all today with our tornado watch just got issued. I think we just got a tornado watch has got issued for Fentress County until 10 p.m. tonight. Let me see if I can take you all to that one. That tornado watch just got issued just now. I believe it just got a watch that just got issued by the National Weather Service. Let me see if I can take you all to that right now here on radar. Let's get over to what we have. I believe just got issued. This is actually breaking here right now. Just got issued. I believe this is for our viewing area for Jamestown, Fentress and Pickett County. Okay, let me get you up to date to Jamestown and Pickett County. If there's any warning does get issued, let me take you all to that polygon inbox right now. So just coming down here right now, coming in over like just now. We just have a watch, a tornado watch that's got extended. I can tell you all the county. Heads up Cookville. Heads up Dog Cove. If you live in Dog Cove, heads up Dog Cove. Well, if you live in Jamestown, heads up Jamestown. This is for our viewing area. There's a tornado watch for Jamestown for tonight. Let me see if I can put the radar into motion. Now we do have a tornado watch has just got issued for our area now. But when I think, they'll like to make someone try to move into Jamestown before later on. Let me check lightning. Yeah. Ooh, bad storms down there. Right now we have a tornado watch just got issued by the National Weather Service again for those areas there for Jamestown. Keep this in mind, if there's any warnings that does get issued, I make sure I break into any programming here later on tonight. If we wrap out our show, then anything warned, we will cut into programming as necessary. Okay, now let me go recap our temperatures here from early this morning. Keep this in mind. Now I can go recap our temperatures here this morning. Okay, good. Now here's a recap here for our temperatures here from early this morning. So earlier this morning for our temperatures here this morning. Early this morning we was a little bit of a mild start here earlier this morning. For our wake up temperatures, we was a little bit mild here earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures. We was 71 Knoxville, 73 Sweetwater. We was into the 70s here earlier this morning. For our wake up temperatures, we was into the 70s and 60s. It was a little bit of a mild start to the day here earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures. It was a little bit of a mild start to our day here earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures. Okay, now here's a recap here with our Saturday's planner here for today. This is a recap for our Saturday's day planner here today. So today we have winds out of the southwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusts 35 miles per hour. 7 a.m. this morning was around 69. Noon to lunch hour was around 81. 5 p.m. was around 87. 8 p.m. looked to be around 81 at 8 p.m. Keep in mind, this was a recap here for Saturday's planner here for today. Remember to keep this in mind, okay? Now now let's go see over here now to see if we can get you all today what's going on right now. Okay, now let me see if I take over here now. Maybe not that one. Okay, let's go here to see the National Weather Service. Okay, let's see overnight tonight. Okay, let me get y'all up to date with our potential storm risk here for tonight. Keep this in mind. Okay, this would be our potential storm risk here for tonight. This would be our potential storm risk. Remember to keep this in mind. Okay, for potential storm risk, a few strong to severe storms, gust between 40 to 60 miles per hour. We do have a few strong storms possible tonight. A very low tornado risk, held less than an inch in diameter. Timing between midnight to 7 a.m. The timing looks to be between midnight to 7 a.m. Keep this in mind. Be weather aware be weather aware, ready to act. Have multiple ways to receive weather information. And then as we head into our Sunday, we looked at the same risk, a level 1 marginal risk. This is impossible strong to severe storms, down to Knoxville, Maryville, that stuff, mainly between 7 to 1 p.m. Have ways to see multiple weather information. If I had to cut into programming or take over programming due to any severe thunderstorm warnings that does get issued or something, okay, I would have to cut into programming no matter what. This is our thing. What to do? We typically cut into programming as necessary to help out you all, the viewer, to give you all the weather information. Keep this in mind. Okay, now let's go over here now. Okay, let's go see our current temperatures here right now. Okay, here's our temperatures here right now. Keep this in mind. Okay. This is look to be our temperatures here for right now. Keep this in mind. Right now for our temperatures right now, we are 85 Knoxville, 83 Tellico Plain, 78 Crossville, Jamestown is 80, Monticello 71, Williamsburg is around 74, Middlesboro is 84, Irwin is 85. Greenville is 84. Right now we are here into the 80s. Sevierville is 90. Newport is 80. Right now we're here into the 80s right now. Feedback is the 90s. Right now here's our forecast now to the next few hours. Right now it's 84 winds southwest, 21 miles per hour. 8 p.m. looks to be 8 p.m. looks to be around 79 at 8 p.m. 10 p.m. looks to be around 77. 12 a.m. midnight 75. 2 a.m. 71. 4 a.m. 63 at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. looks to be around 63 at 4 a.m. Keep this in mind. Now let's take a other view with some of our current temperatures here for right now. Keep this in mind, okay? Right now, here's some of our current temperatures here for right now. Keep this in mind, okay? This look to be some of our current temperatures here for right now. Right now, for our current temperatures here for right now. Right now, we are 83 degrees right now. Right now, we are 84 Knoxville, 82 Maryville. We are 87 Pigeon Forge, 80 Jamestown, Huntsville 79, Crossville 78. Right now we're here into the 70s and 80s right now. Right now we are here into the 80s right now. Wind gusts into the 20 and 30s right now for our wind gust speeds right now. Today for our forecast and highs, we go in 87 Knoxville, 87 Maryville, 83 Jamestown. Today we'll be into the 80s today for our forecast and highs. Here's our 12-hour weather forecast. 7 p.m. looks to be around 83, 9 p.m. 79, 11 p.m. 76, 1 a.m. 74, 3 a.m. 71, 5 a.m. 68, and then 7 a.m. 66. Here's our lows tonight. We could be a little bit mild and a little bit warm here tonight for our forecast and lows. Keep this in mind. Tonight be 65 Knoxville, 64 Maryville, 59 Crossville, 55 Jamestown. Tonight be into the 50s. Tonight for our forecast and lows. Keep this in mind. Here's our potential rainfall here over the next 48 hours. Over the next 48 hours, we could pick up some good amounts of rainfall here over the next 48 hours. We could pick up maybe 0.5 maybe inch of rain, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain in some locations, maybe 2 to 3 in some locations. Over the next 48 hours. This morning our sun rose at 7:16 and our sunset tonight be at 8:01 p.m. tonight. Our daylight hours getting longer and longer and longer each and every day. Keep this in mind, okay? Now, let's go here, see if we can find any other weather maps here for right now, okay. Okay, I guess we can go over, here, I guess, wait a second. Okay, so, what are we going today? So, today for our forecast and highs, let's see what are we going today. So, today for, our forecast and highs for today, we're looking to be a little bit hot today for our forecast and highs. Keep this in mind. So today for our forecast and highs, today we're going 86 Knoxville, 86 Maryville, 81 Crossville, 83 Jamestown. Today we'll be into the 80s here today for our forecast and highs. We're gonna keep this in mind. We are a hot day outside once again here today, here all over East Tennessee. We are a hot day outside once again here today. Keep this in mind, okay? Okay, now. Here's our temperature outlook. This is our temperature outlook for April 11th through the 15th. April 11th through the 15th we look to be normal or maybe in the middle. So April 13th through the 19th we look to be above normal, above average temperatures through this time frame. Keep this in mind. For the 13th through the 19th we look to be above normal temperatures through that time frame. Keep this in mind, okay? That's some good news. Look at our rainfall amounts tomorrow at 7 p.m. Wow, absolutely much needed rainfall amounts. We under a level 1 in a slight risk to see some possible flooding for tomorrow for our Sunday. With this rainfall wind, we can have some flooding. Remember saying, turn around, don't drown. Okay, we can have some possible flooding tomorrow. A little bit a possibility of seeing some flooding tomorrow. Keep this in mind. So let me get y'all today with our storm threats for tomorrow for our Sunday, okay? So here's our storm threats tomorrow for our Sunday. Keep this in mind, tomorrow for our Sunday, we do have 60+ mile per hour winds, tornadoes low but not likely, Hail is low but possible. Isolated flooding cannot be ruled out, or tonight it cannot be ruled out. But tomorrow we're under level 1. Level 1 marginal risk to see some possible stronger to severe storms as we're heading into tomorrow for our Sunday. We looked at a possibility of seeing a level 1 marginal risk to see a few stronger to severe storms as we head into tomorrow. Keep in mind our risk is looking to be yeah, we do look at level 1 marginal risk tomorrow, but here's our potential rainfall here the next 3 days. Keep this in mind, okay? Now, here's our potential rainfall here over the next 3 days. Keep this in mind, okay? This look to be our potential rainfall here over the next 3 days. Keep this in mind, okay? Maybe a 0.5, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain in some locations, maybe 2 to 3, maybe 3 to 4 plus in some locations. Keep this in mind. But flooding tonight, we do have an elevated flooding risk down to Knoxville. As you head down to Maryville, Oak Ridge, North City, then the level 1 marginal risk to see some flooding possible risk down to Telegraph Plains, Pigeon Forge, Bryson City, Newport, Greenville. We do have an elevated risk to see some flooding as we head tonight into tomorrow. Keep this in mind. Remember to say, turn around, do not drown. Poor drainage ditches will flood first. Keep this in mind, okay? Poor drainage ditches will flood first, okay? Tonight and Sunday, we are looking to see a level 1 marginal risk to see some possible stronger to severe storms, okay? Keep this in mind, okay? Tonight into Sunday, we look to see some possible stronger to severe storms. Keep this in mind, okay? Okay, here's 12 a.m. midnight. Heads up Jamestown, Huntsville, La Follette. You may hear some rumbles of thunder. This is at 12 a.m. midnight. Here's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. heads up Oak Ridge, Knoxville, Maryville, Athens, Sweetwater. Here's 9 a.m. Still rain showers. It'll be raining all day long tomorrow for our Sunday. Because tomorrow for our Sunday looks to be a little bit rainy all day tomorrow. Keep this in mind. That basically just shows the story here for our storyboard as well. Okay, now here's our today's Saturday's here's our weekend forecast. Today for Saturday, partly sunny, warm and breezy, 87, low 69. Tomorrow for Sunday, mostly cloudy, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some could be on the stronger side, 72, low 65. This is our weekend forecast. Remember to keep this in mind. This is every weekend forecast. Remember to keep this in mind. This is every weekend forecast. Now let's go over here to some other weather maps here right now. See if we can get more into the loop of things right now. Where did that before? Okay. When did that just got posted? Okay, that just got posted. Okay. So what? Concerning severe potential. A threat. Watch may need. So I'll be watching this. So I'll be watching this. So a watch may need to be some type of, it's a 40% probability for a watch may need to be get issued. We are watching something here in particular right now. In this circled area of concerning areas right now, there is potential for some type of watch that may need to be issued in an area this got circled. There may be a potential for a watch. Potential concerning severe weather. Potential watch probability is 40%. Most probability peak in intensity tornado 85 to 100. Okay. Wind 55 to 70 miles per hour. Well, they may need to be a watch to get issued, but I will keep you up to date with this. If there's any watches that does get issued, I will break in live. If we wrap out and then a watch does get issued, I'll be watching that closely. Well, I'll probably see something scroll on. You may see some stuff scrolling on the bottom of your TV if there's a watch that does get issued, but keep this in mind. We'll be watching that here closely here tonight, and then see if any watches need to be issued. But I will be here in the studio here throughout the night tonight, as needed, to bring you all live and intermittent weather coverage as necessary. Okay. Right now, let me take you to our rain chances here the next 7 days. Keep this in mind, okay? This is our rain chances here for the next 7 days. Remember to keep this in mind, okay? Tomorrow for Sunday, looks to be our better chance for rain tomorrow as we're heading to our Sunday. Tomorrow for our Sunday, we look to have a 100% chance to see some stronger thunderstorms, maybe some rain showers. We look to have a 100% chance, a better chance to see some rain tomorrow for our Sunday. Monday looks to be at 20%, Tuesday 0, Wednesday 0, Thursday at 20%. Friday looks to be our next best chance to see some rain on Friday is at 50%. And then Saturday looks to be a 0% on Saturdays, okay? Saturday looks to be a 0% as we head into Saturday. Keep this in mind, Saturday looks to be a 0% as we head into Saturday. Keep this in mind, okay? Now let's go see our 3-day weather forecast. Okay, keep this in mind, okay? Now, this would be our 3-day weather forecast. Remember to keep this in mind, okay? This is our 3-day weather forecast. Keep this in mind, okay? Tomorrow for Sunday, 72, low 65. Monday to start our brand new work week, aka school week. Monday looks to be around 59, low 48. And then Tuesday looks to be around 56, low 36 again. Tomorrow for Sunday, 72. Monday, 59. Tuesday, look to be around 56 on Tuesday. Keep this in mind. This is our 3-day weather forecast, okay? That is our 3-day weather forecast. Now, let's go see our forecasting lows here the next 7 days. Remember to keep this in mind, okay? How low can those lows go? Well, let's see how low those lows could go here for the next 7 days. Keep this in mind, okay? Tomorrow's low on Sunday is around around 65. Monday's low is 48. Tuesday's low is 36. Wednesday's low is 33. Wednesday's low is 33. My bad. Thursday's low is 42. Friday's low is 49. Saturday's low is 43. This is our forecast on lows for the next 7 days. This is how low our lows can go here the next 7 days. Remember to keep this in mind, okay? This is how low our lows could go here over the next 7 days. Remember to keep this in mind, okay? Now let's go see our forecasting highs here the next 7 days. If I can find our forecasting highs, did I even made that graphic? Oh no, y'all! I forgot to make that graphic. Oh no! Oh no! I forgot to make our forecasting highs. Cruddy. Okay. That'll be in our forecast here when I get it uploaded, okay? Sorry about that. Okay. Here's our evening forecast here for this evening. Keep this in mind. Here's our Saturday evening forecast. Keep this in mind. 6 p.m. dinner time. Looks to be is right now 84. 8 p.m. looks to be around 79. 10 p.m. 77 again. 6 p.m. 84. 8 p.m. 79. 10 p.m. looks to be around 77 at 10 p.m. Remember to keep this in mind. This is our Saturday evening forecast. Remember to keep this in mind. This is our Saturday evening forecast. Now, let's go see our tomorrow Sunday at a glance. Remember to keep this in mind, okay? This look to be our tomorrow Sunday at a glance. Keep this in mind. Here's our tomorrow Sunday at a glance. Okay. Tomorrow, this is our tomorrow Sunday at a glance. 7 a.m. 66. 12 p.m. noon lunch hour 65. 5 p.m. looks around 66. Now, let's go see our 7-day weather forecast here for East Tennessee. Keep this in mind. Now, let's go see our 7-day weather forecast here for East Tennessee. Keep this in mind. Here's our 7-day weather forecast. Okay. So as we head into Sunday, tomorrow for Sunday, 72. Monday to start our brand new work week, aka school week. Monday looks to be around 59. Tuesday, 56. Wednesday on hump day, 65. Thursday, 69. Friday looks to be around 68. And then Saturday, 61. Okay. Thanks so much for watching my live local weather broadcast. I am meteorologist Brian here. Have a great and a fantastic and blessed Saturday night. I'll have a weather video coming out here later on this evening. And there's anything that does turn into any warnings or something like that, I'll make sure I do a cut-in to any programming. If you get any watches or warnings, that does get issued tonight into tomorrow. I'll be here in the studio throughout the night into the early morning hours, tracking it all.